Hi everyone, I'm Jasmine P. Casanova, and in this video, I'll show and explain a simple Java program that demonstrates how a hash function works, which is the main concept behind hash table. This program uses a polynomial hash function to convert word into numeric indexes. The first line is the package hash.table. It simply declares the package name where our program belongs. It helps organize our Java files if we have many projects. Next is the public class hash table. It defines the main class of our program. In Java, everything must be written inside a class. Inside the class, we created a method called polynomial hash. This method will take two inputs, k, the word we want to hash, and n, the number of buckets or the size of our hash table. Then, we declare three variables. Int p is equals to 37. This is our base prime number used in the hash formula. But you can also use 31 as your base prime number. Second is that int hash is equals to 0. This will store our running hash value. Int power is equals to 1. It represents p to the power of I, which starts at 1. Next, we have a for loop. This loop will go through every character of the string k. Inside the loop, we declare char value. It gets the ASCII value of each character. For example, A is 97, B is 98, and so on. In this line, it means we multiply each character's ASCII value by its corresponding power of p and then add it to our hash value. Also, this line, it updates the power by multiplying it with 31, so the next character will be higher. After the loop, return hash modulus n. It takes the total hash value and divides it by n, returning the remainder as the index or bucket number. This is how we map strings to numeric indexes in a hash table. Now, let's go to our main method. This is our main method. This is where our program starts running. We have three string variables, the Ben, Teen, and Ken, or the K1, K2, and K3. These are the words that we'll use as keys to test our hash function. Then, int n is equals to 10, means our hash table has 10 buckets. So the resulting index will always be between 0 and 9. Next is, here we call our hash function to compute the index of each word. The function returns an integer value, which we store in index 1, 2, and 3. Finally, this line will print and its corresponding index. Will print the k and its corresponding index. And the same goes for the second and third line. When we run this code or when we run this program, we'll see something like this on the output screen. This one. So the k in K1 is Ben, and the index 1 is 5. K2 is teen, and index of teen is 1. K3 is Ken, and the index 3 is 4. This shows that each word is converted into a unique number, which is how hash tables can quickly locate and store data. To summarize, this program demonstrates how a polynomial hash function works. It converts a string into a numeric index using ASCII values and powers of a base number. This is the foundation of how hash tables store and retrieve information efficiently. I hope this helped you understand how hash function work in Java. Thank you for watching.